Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit salad dressing. First, gather your ingredients like fresh citrus juice, such as lemon or lime, and a natural sweetener like honey or maple syrup. Whisk these together in a small bowl until they are fully combined. Taste the mixture and adjust the sweetness or tanginess to your liking for a perfect balance. Now, let's explore some exciting flavor variations to elevate your dressing. Consider adding finely chopped fresh herbs like mint or basil for a bright, aromatic touch. A pinch of warm spices, such as cinnamon or ground ginger, can also create a lovely depth. For a hint of sweetness and complexity, try a splash of vanilla or almond extract. If you prefer a creamier dressing, there are several fantastic options. You can stir in a few tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt or sour cream for a tangy, smooth consistency. For a richer, more decadent dressing, a small amount of mayonnaise works wonderfully. Alternatively, blend in a quarter of a ripe avocado for a healthy, thick, and incredibly smooth result. Once your delicious fruit salad dressing is ready, proper storage is key. Keep any leftover dressing in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days to maintain freshness. For the best flavor, chill the dressing for at least 30 minutes before serving. Remember to toss the dressing with your fresh fruit right before you plan to enjoy it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.